More Lay's from China. And these are sweet and spicy fried chicken. That's what that's supposed to be a picture of. They smell like chicken. They definitely smell like chicken. They probably could have just did without the chicken flavor and just went with the sweet and spicy. They're pretty spicy, but they're pretty sweet. There's a strong sweetness and a strong spiciness, but it's also a strong chicken flavor, which is kind of throwing me off. That chicken taste throwing me off, man. But they're not as bad as the octopus, squid, oyster, and duck tongue Lays that I've tried recently. I've tried them, so check out the videos if you are interested. I might have to give these up. I'm gonna give these up. That sweet and spiciness is good, but that chicken taste is killing me, man. I like chicken, but I like to eat chicken, not artificial chicken flavored things. So I'm giving a 4 out of 10.